Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I got on a $20 budget from the Dollar Tree. I have some white bread for my sandwiches and toast for breakfast. I have some frozen blueberries for my post-workout as well as my breakfast smoothies. Some berry banana blend, which is also for my smoothie, and some frozen mixed berries also for my smoothies. Next, I have some broccoli cuts that I'm going to use to either make some steamed broccoli or some chicken and broccoli. I have a big bag of straight cut french fries. Next, I have my favorite snack, golden crust spicy beef patties. I got 2 of those. I have a bag of yellow corn tortilla chips. I picked up a bottle of Pace mild salsa sauce to go with my chips. I have a bag of mini pretzels. I found these Taco Bell Supreme sunflower seeds and I can't wait to try those. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried these. I have 1 bag of ranch sunflower seeds, which is one of my daughter's favorites. For our sweet tooth, I have 2 boxes of Swedish fish. I have a bottle of lemon juice that I use for my meats and seafood. I also wanted to try this strawberry banana nectar juice, as well as this mango juice. I also picked up a bottle of apple juice. I also picked up 2 packs of Ultra Shine dish detergent pods for my dishwasher. And lastly, 2-gallon bottles of purified water. So guys, this is what I got from the Dollar Tree with a $20 budget. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.